Investing in index fund on eToro is a great way to diversify your portfolio. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide on how to invest in index in eToro. So if you want to do that, the first thing you have to do is open your account. Once you open your account, visit the verify your account section. From there, then you deposit and add money to your account. So you can also do that using the various different methods available within the platform to fund your account. After that, search for index. Once you search for index, you can search for a specific index fund or use the exchange trade fund that track the various indexes. After that, open the trade, click on the index that you are interested in, then click on the trade button. A window will pop up where you can set up the amount you want to invest. After that, you can set your parameter, which is your stop loss, your take profit, and your leverage, which can help maximize the risk of the potential return. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.